Hey everybody, today I'm going to open some more 2019 Donruss retail. I kind of enjoyed the retail pack, the retail stuff, although to be honest with you, I don't really remember ordering these. I must have done it, but I don't remember. But anyways, maybe I did it when I placed that other order that I opened in the other video that had the blaster boxes too. So anyways, so I've got 2 hanger boxes and 4 of the value packs that have, this has the hollow red and Victor parallels, this has the hollow orange and diamond parallels. Let's open the packs first since I've already got those out here. Yeah, I was trying to remember ordering these. I don't remember, but that's not surprising nowadays. I'm crazy busy. All right. There is Suarez Diamond Kings, Marte Diamond Kings, Chris Bryant Variation, Max Muncy Diamond Kings, Edwin Diaz. This is a career stat line to 301. Sweet. Urias is one of the one hollow red parallel. Nice, and an Otani Action All-Stars Vector parallel. Not bad. I think that's it, other than, of course, with the rest of the cards there will be some variations. Oh, I forgot how bad I hated these being all twisted and turned. These retro 85 rookie cards. And that's pack 1. Illich Diamond Kings. God, I hate this. Moncada Diamond Kings. About to drop the whole stack. Gleyber Torres. Goldschmidt. Muncy. Judge. Then we have Derek Rodriguez, that's the red parallel. Zach Hess, American Pride, Vector parallel. Cedric Mullins, Strasburg, Kluber. Flip, flip, turn, flip, flip, turn, flip, flip, turn. Oh my God, you're kidding me. You're killing me. Kidding me and killing me simultaneously. There's Kramer, Corbin rookie. Well, I don't know if that's actually his rookie. It's not labeled rookie, so I guess prospect. And Urias card. All right. Actually, I remember now. I think about opening these, and yeah, I think they were great if you were building the set, but otherwise it's a ton of base cards and not much else. Another Yelich, Moncada. Alright, this red is Kluber, Mike Trout. That's good. Dominators parallel. And that is that, other than all of these flipping cards. Robles, Robles. Alright. Ooh, that's a stack of cards already, and I still got one more of the fat packs. There's 30 cards in the fat packs, 50 in the hanger boxes. If I was going to buy more retail, I wish I'd bought more blaster boxes. They provided the most value. Renfro, Snell, Beltre, Story, Oh, got an Donruss Independence Day parallel. Caleb Ferguson rookie, red. Duplantier, franchise features, Vector. And then we have a bunch of base cards. Raider rookie Kopech. Allard rookie. Shaw rookie. Ward and Philmeyer. Alright. So all of those, and these were the inserts and parallels. Alright, hanger box is boxes. Ooh, it's just the loud one. Mute your headphones. Actually, I probably won't flip through all these cards. You guys have already seen me open these, and you've already seen a ton of the cards, so I think I'm just going to pull out the goodies. You can comment below if in the future if you want to see all the cards, that's fine. I'll do it. I have no problem with it, but I just don't want to bore you out of your mind, so I'm kind of just going to go to the middle. Aguilar, Independence Day, Justice Sheffield, orange, good. Chris Davis, orange. Jake Agnos, Diamond Parallel American Pride, and George Springer, Franchise Futures, Diamond Parallel. If they hadn't flipped the cards so bad, I wouldn't really mind going through them, but my last video where I opened the retail stuff, it took forever. The time was so long on that video just because I was trying to flip literally hundreds of cards around. So I'm going to try to save you that drudgery this time. There's the brick, the nice brick of cards. Alright. Where do we start here? Franmil Reyes, season stat line to 261. Sean Newcomb, orange. Trevor Richards, rookie, orange. Brock Holt, highlights, Diamond Parallel. And Corey Seager, franchise features, Diamond Parallel. And the rest are just a bunch of cards, as you can see. Alright, so that's it. Another little another little Donruss retail break. That's probably it for the Donruss retail, unless I like went in my sleep and ordered some more and don't remember it. Other than that, I may do another hobby box or two, but I think that's it for the retail. Because I really just don't, I'm not making this set, and I really don't need this ton of cards. If anybody does need these, my email address is below. If you have certain numbers and want me to help fill a set, we can work something out. I promise I'm easy to deal with, so just message me. Alright, thanks everybody. Take care. I'll be back with my next break soon.